or you can call me Naya. I'm currently in the 5th grade at elementary school. I will share a little of my experience when I was a child. Enjoy listening. When I was in kindergarten, I loved to draw. Because of this my hobby, my parents and teacher suggested that I join an inter-school coloring contest. Long story short, I finally joined an inter-school coloring contest. That day, I was confided by my father. He encouraged me not to be too nervous. When the comment was about announced the winner, I didn't have high hopes. But when the comment was announced the third prize, it turned out that I was the winner. Even though it was the only third prize, I was very happy to finally have a trophy. I could be proud of at that time. That's all.